In this part, we are going to create a list of cards. So first, we are going to delete the unnecessary code. So we have to delete this header. Since we are not going to use the logo, so we also do not need to import the logo. And also we can delete the file. Since we are not going to write from scratch, so we go to the W3 schools and copy this code and paste it here. As you already know, this is not HTML, this is JSX, so there are something that we need to change, including the class name. We do not have class, instead we just have class name. And also we do not have CSS, instead we have to use the style object. So this is a string, and there should be a closing tag. And also we can copy this image. Now we are going to copy the CSS from here to the app.css. And since we do not need the other CSS instead of the .app, so we also delete the others and paste it. Now as you can see, the size of this card is too big, so we are going to lower the size by adjusting the CSS from 40% to 20%. And now this is much smaller. And now we are going to copy and paste of this card. And also we are going to create some margin between. So back to the CSS and create margin top 20 pixel. Now this is much beautiful than before. But now as you can see, the code become dirty because we copy and paste the same code again and again. So in the next part, we are going to teach you how to use the component to make the code cleaner.